Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Adobe Extensions QuickTip tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to enable file access automatically with your extensions. This is going to alleviate some headaches from problems you might find when trying to write to files or read to files on a user's system. Additionally, in apps like After Effects, you usually are required to go into your preferences and enable some scripting options to let scripts write to your files. But today, with a couple of parameters, we'll be able to fix this problem and make sure you have access to your files in any Adobe application. Before we get started, I do want to remind you down below, hit subscribe and the bell icon to be notified of new videos coming out twice weekly on the channel. And down in the description, you can check out the code for this in the GitHub link. Be sure to follow us there for coding updates, and in the description, follow us on Instagram for other live updates. If you're not already a member of our Discord server, you can come and join and get help with scripting, extensions, plugins, submit tutorial ideas, and much more. And if you'd like to help support us financially, you can become a member, supporter, premium supporter, or VIP. The link for that is in the description. You can support us and get cool perks at the same time. So this is actually a super simple thing. If you've already seen the tutorial on how to include Node.js in your extension, check that out up in the eye. This is basically the same thing. We're pasting a couple of parameters in the same exact location. So on my left here, I have the code I need to input, and on the right here, I have my extension testing manifest, which is basically already set up so that all we have to do is find where it matches up. All we have to do is find our resources, and right here we have our resources, which references our main HTML file, which starts up when we run the extension, as well as our main JavaScript extended file. So all we have to do now, you can see we have script path and then some parameters underneath the script path. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste my parameters underneath the script path. And if you already have enabled Node.js, you'll have extra parameters right here allowing you to enable Node.js. And once you save this and restart whatever Adobe application you're running your extension in my case After Effects, you'll now have file access and be able to read and write files on your system. And of course, if you're doing this from within your extension using maybe the FS Node.js file system library, this will also ensure that you're going to have file access. And one small thing, I don't know that this gives you entire privileges to just do whatever you want. For example, you still may need to chmod some file types that a system would protect against. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. That's how to quickly, in your Adobe extension, allow file access and access from files. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. Down below, hit subscribe and the bell icon to be notified of new videos coming out twice weekly on the channel. And down in the description, you can check out the code for this in the GitHub link. Make sure you follow us there for more coding updates. And in the description, follow us on Instagram for other live updates. If you're not a member of our Discord server, make sure you come and join, get help with scripting, extensions, plugins, expressions, submit tutorial ideas, and much more. And if you'd like to help support us financially and get cool perks, a link for this is in the description. You can become a member, supporter, premium supporter, or VIP on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.